few weeks ago I posted a video showing where I had planted those 6 hemlock trees down by the creek. While I was digging those trees up, I thought I hit a rock because I was digging them out by hand with a shovel. Turns out what I actually found was 3 old sawmill blades. These are probably more like edger or cut off blades, but they're rusty, they're pitted, they're missing a few teeth, and they are going to be absolutely perfect to mount up here on the top of this rock for the base plate for our big log. Okay, there's the base plate for the first post, and I have the steel supports, 3 of them. And this corner is going to be sitting on rock right there. Pretty cool. Want to see something absolutely beautiful? Check this out. I'll sit right there and go up about 12 feet. And you can see I've got the other one set over there already with legs underneath it. Now I've just got to get a hammer drill and sink some 3/4 inch all thread rod with epoxy down into the top of this, and we'll be ready to mount the new gate. There's a nice fit. Now I took the time to make sure that these teeth were turned away from the driveway in case somebody comes down the hill on a bicycle, runaway bicycle, and runs into this. They'll be hitting it this direction instead of coming into it, catching the teeth. Now, if they're coming up the hill, well, not much I can do about that. But look at this. Now, if you're curious why I cut it into there, it's because here's the edge of the rock, and I really don't want this platform hanging out beyond the edge of this stone. But that I like. Now that that beautiful piece of metal is in place, I'm gonna jump on the backhoe and get this bank all cleaned up and ready for grass.